Hello friends, so this is our day 2 for solving Leetcode daily challenge. So let's look at the problem. Okay, so this is a binary tree problem. So given the roots of two binary trees P and Q, write a function to check if they are same tree or not. Okay, so two binary trees are considered same if they are structurally identical and the nodes have the same value. Okay, so let's check understand the problem. Okay, yeah. So we have given two trees. Okay. So we have to check whether they are same or not. Okay. So in this case we can see that they are same. Okay. So suppose there are suppose this type. Let's give it a complication. Also, so you can see that they are same by seeing the structure, right, and the values. That is okay. But how can we solve this using code? So what we will do, if my this node value and node value is same, I will call a recursion function to check whether for my left side or left subtree is it same or not. I'm telling one second. I will check my values. If they are same, I will call for a left subtree. Then, okay. If they return me true, that is okay. Then I will call the right subtree function. Okay. Whether they are same or not. So I am same with my brother tree. Okay, or you can say twin tree. So they are twins, right? Because they are same. So I am same with my twin. If my left subtree is same with my twin's left subtree, then and also I will call for my right subtree. So if I am same, my left subtree is same with my twins right left subtree, that is this part is same with this part, and my right subtree is same with my twins right subtree, that is this part is same with this part. I am same, my left subtree is same with them with that, and my right subtree is same with that. That's right subtree. Okay, so uh, my left subtree should be same with my twins left subtree. My right subtree should be same with my twins right subtree. Okay, so then I will say that we are actually twins. Actually twins. Okay, so then we say that we are actually twins. Okay, so these three conditions should be satisfied. So now let's code to understand. So what we will do? I will do recursion obviously. Is left subtree same? Okay, so is it will call this function with p dot left and q dot left. Then I am calling is right subtree same. Okay, p dot right and q dot right. Then if both are same, okay, if both that is both give me true, is my left subtree same with that left subtree, my right subtree is same with that right subtree. Okay, then I will return true. That is two condition, right? I have checked my left subtree and right subtree with them. respectively. I have to check also that if my value is same with that value or not. My value is equal to that value or not. So see, if this is the case, suppose this is the case, is there same tree? I start checking from here. I got 1 and here and 10 here. So they never can be same tree, right? They both have non-equal values, right? So then I will actually do nothing. I will just return false. So I will check for right subtree and left subtree when my values are equal with their root values, right? So if my value is equal to q's value, my value, that is p's value, is equal to q's value, then I will check with these other two conditions. Okay. Then I will check with these other two conditions. Otherwise, uh, otherwise I would just return false. That is okay. Now let's check for the null case. So if p equal to null and my q equal to null, so my p is also null, q is also null. That is nothing to compare, both are same, right? So suppose in this case, so I got suppose here, so here is null, here is null. What will I return? Should I return true? No. I will return should I return false? No. I will return true here. Nothing, there is nothing to compare, right? So this is obvious. So I will return true here for nothing to compare case. Now suppose this is the case. Here are 4 and 5. So from here it will return true. But here I got a null and here I got a non-null. So in that case, my right subtree is not same here for the case of 2. Okay. So then I will check. That is I have to check also. So if both are null, return just true. Don't worry. Now, if one of them is true, if only one of them is true, that is p true or q true, then return false. Okay, then return false. Then this is the case. This is null, p is null, but q is not null. I have checked that this is null and this is null. That is true. Return true. If only this is null, return false. Okay. So let's run this. Submit it. Yeah. So we got it. Now let's understand the code, the dry run. Okay. Oh. Yeah. So suppose this is the trick. And this is another trick. So p value, this is p, this is q. P value, q value same. Okay. So left call is done. Again left call is, so p value q value same here, 2 2 same. So so firstly my p and q are 1, then I call left, then my p and q are currently 2. So now left call is done. So here are null, here is null, so true is returned, true is returned. Now here also null, here also null, right? So after left we call right, in the case of 2. So here also true, null, so return true here, return true here. From left and right we return true, so both are true, so I'll return true from 2. I will return true from 2, because left from left from left I am returning true, from right I am returning true, so both are true, so I will return true. Now for one left is done, so let's part. Now this is called for right, again left is called, again null, so here also null and null, so again it returns true, it returns true. Again right is called, right is called. So when I go on another deep level, I am checking for this condition, right? So keep that in mind, that 5 is equal to 5. Okay, now 6 is equal to 6, another call is called. So from here null, from here null, so it returns true, 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 so it returns true, 6 returns true. And from this case also, firstly here the left is called, right? For 5 it is a left call, right? For both of them left call is done. In this case both are null, so true is returned, and after that right is called and they are of same value, then again left is called and right is called. So from 6 we got true, from null we got true, so true true, so we return true from 5, and 4 returns 5 true, so from 3 true is returned. So for 1 it got true from left and true from right, so it returns true also for this, right? So I am not doing two operations, I am doing one operation. Okay, so I am just doing it for just understanding. Okay, so what I mean to say is that I am not checking for two trees. I have given two trees and I am just checking it is true or not, true or not, true or not. There is not two operation here, right? I am not doing two operation or two tree. There is only one operation for both of the trees. Okay, so now let's take an example of uh, not same. So here 1 is true. Okay, left is called, left is called, again left is called, left is called, 2 returned, again right is called as null, 2 return. So from here 2 return, from here 2 return, so it will return true. From here also true true, so it will return true. Then right is called, right is called, again left is called, left is called, it return true, it return true. Now here right is called, here also right is called. Is both of them null? Is both of them null? Nope. Is P null? Yes. Is P null? Yes, P is null. For P it is null. Oh, sorry. Is both of them null? I mean to say here is 4 and here is null. For 3 here is 4 in the right, here is null in the right, here is null in the right. So is both of them null? No. Is P null? No. Is Q null? Yes, Q is null. So return false. So it returns false from here. So true, false. So is both of them true? No. One is false. So return false from 1. So return false. And then here is true, here is false. So it return false. It return false as both of them is not true. Okay. So this is the case. So I hope you understood. Let's keep it a dry run by yourself. You will understand. You will understand definitely. So let's see you in the next video.